In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have an automated task that appears on your board at the interval you choose, so your routine work never slips through the cracks. First, log in to Monday.com and head to your workspace. On the left panel, you'll see your workspaces and the boards inside them. Open the board where you want the recurring task to live. If you manage multiple boards, pick the one that already has the columns and structure you use for this type of task, so your automation fits right in. In the upper right corner of your board, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center, where you can build rules that save you time. Choose Create from Scratch to start with a clean slate. You'll see a sentence style builder that reads like plain language, making it simple to configure. Click on When this happens to set your trigger. From the list, select Every Time Period. This is the option that schedules something on a regular cadence. Once you've selected it, click on Every Time Period again. You'll be prompted to choose how often the task should recur: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Pick the option that matches your workflow. For example, daily works well for stand-ups, weekly for reports, monthly for invoices, and yearly for annual reviews. After your trigger is set, click. Then do this to define the action. Choose Create Item. This tells Monday.com to make a new item on your board each time the schedule hits. You'll see a placeholder that says An Item. Click on that text to customize what gets created. Now, choose which group on your board the item should appear in. Groups are the colored sections on your board that organize items by category or time frame. Next, rename the item to something clear and consistent, like Weekly Marketing Report or End of Month Reconciliation, so it's instantly recognizable. You can also add any other information needed, such as default values for columns you already use. This might include an owner, a status, or a due date relative to creation. Keeping these defaults consistent helps teammates know exactly what to do when the item appears. When everything looks right, click Create Automation. Your recurring task is now set. From here on, Monday.com will generate the item on the schedule you chose, placing it in the correct group with the details you define. This small setup goes a long way in standardizing routine work and keeping your board up to date automatically.